You're not lazy. You're not burned out. You're being controlled. Your brain isn't failing. It's following instructions. But here's what you don't see. Right now, you're inside a loop. Tap, scroll, spike, drop, repeat. You call it a habit. It's not. It's a biological hijack. Your dopamine system, overstimulated, overtrained, redirected toward artificial rewards. Pixels replaced people. Speed replaced meaning. And this moment, this exact second, you think you're watching by choice. You're not. You're executing a pattern. It gets worse. Every return, every relapse is not relief. It's reinforcement. You're not escaping stress, you're encoding dependence. No one tells you this. You're training your brain to reject reality. Real effort feels heavy. Real connection feels distant, because the artificial version is easier, faster, always available. And the worst part? You're adapting to it. You're becoming someone who prefers the loop. You're already in it. People won't confront you, but they register it. Your low drive, your hesitation, your lack of presence. Something feels off. You lose authority without a word. You think it's invisible, but it shows in your posture, your focus, your energy. And deep down, you know. That quiet fracture in your self-trust, that's the cost. Here's the truth. This isn't random. This is a system. A conditioned behavioral loop. Dopamine spikes, cue response patterns, avoidance wiring. You're not pursuing pleasure, you're avoiding discomfort. And your brain has learned the rule. Stress leads to screen. Boredom leads to screen. Loneliness leads to screen. No awareness, no resistance, just execution. You're not in control. Break it, now. The moment your hand reaches, pause. Say it out loud. Loop detected. Make the invisible visible, then move. Immediately. No delay, no negotiation. Cold water, movement, impact. Force a state change. Interrupt the circuit before it closes. You don't fight the old version, you replace it. Say, I don't do that anymore. Then act accordingly. People around you may resist this shift, not because it's wrong, but because it exposes them. Don't explain yourself. Evolve. You've been operating below your potential, trading intensity for stimulation, trading presence for escape. Enough. Take your mind back. Starve the loop. Feed reality. Your brain will adapt. It always does. But only if you force the direction. Or stay controlled. So no, you're not exhausted. You've just seen the system, the one that's been running you. Some people will scroll, others will take control.